Who among us has played a pivotal role in the bringing down of a long-held belief system? A belief system promoted by experts like the National Institute of Health and even the Surgeon General of the United States. For most of our lives, we have been taught some aspect of America's food pyramid. The pyramid suggests eating mostly breads and cereals first, then vegetables and fruit, and finally concluding with very little protein and fat. Rachel Albert was an integral part of the movement to topple the status quo. She helped to bring down the USDA food pyramid, the lipid theory, and the notion that high-carb, low-fat diets are the keys to good health. In the mid-'80s, she was writing books at the tender age of 24. She was a restaurateur as well as a proponent and practitioner of a macrobiotic diet. Yet, in time, her opinions changed, and she adopted a more ancestral approach to cooking and eating. She also wrote over 350 articles published in various magazines from the Yoga Journal to Muscle and Fitness magazine. She was a natural foods chef, cooking instructor, and coach for more than 25 years. Thousands of people attended her more than 1,200 cooking presentations in 8 states. By 2004, she, along with her then-husband Don Matiz, wrote the 580-page tome, The Garden of Eating, a produce-dominated diet and cookbook. Replacing previous suggestions regarding grains, Rachel not only wrote in opposition of eating gluten and most grains, she also provided health-giving, nutritious, and tasty recipe alternatives. When most of us were completely unfamiliar with this paleo or primal orientation, Rachel was educating as many people as possible about healthy meats, fish, fats, and oils, all while recognizing the importance of a highly varied vegetable component to our diet. The beginning of the movement to ensure our microbiomes were healthy began. Gut health was at the foundation of her work. But it wasn't until around 2009 that other professionals and even novices started to find each other. She was a founding member of the Phoenix area Paleo and Primal Meetup Group, launched as early as February 2009. While her nutrition philosophy remained controversial among experts, she continued and found a group of other people throughout the world who agreed with what she had promoted as early as 5 years prior. She started talking with others. She attended and spoke at new ancestral and paleo conferences and became a hub in this large network. She was among the army of experimenters that maintained incredible health results. Others began to realize that their positive results corresponded with her going against the grain of expert orthodoxy. She continued to sell thousands of her award-winning books and was writing a book a month prior to her untimely death. When the experts are called into question, they might lose funding, cushy jobs, and gravitas. But the day came and the USDA has now concurred on many key aspects of Rachel's and writers like her who knew that the food pyramid was and is untenable. 40 years of nutrition orthodoxy has been upended. Rachel not only tried a new way of eating various times in her life, but she prolifically blogged and shared her expert knowledge by blogging since 2008. Her website has had over 250,000 unique visitors throughout the years. Her blogs, books, YouTube videos, interviews, and DVDs are still with us. She was a part of a vast network of people concerned that something had gone dramatically wrong with the health of the inhabitants of most industrialized nations. She was a part of a new revolution. The influencers, the force multipliers. She couldn't have done it alone, and we couldn't have done it without her. She was one of us. Yet, much of her works stand alone as benchmarks of excellence, passion, and nourishment.